One quiet morning, in a soft green meadow, a tiny baby bird sat on the ground. She had fallen from her nest and couldn't fly yet. The little bird looked up at the big trees and said sadly, "How will I ever get home?" She felt small and scared. Just then, a kind rabbit hopped by. He smiled and said, "Don't be afraid, little bird. I will help you." The rabbit called his friend, the squirrel. "Can you help us reach the bird's nest?" asked the rabbit. The clever squirrel climbed the tall tree, carrying the little bird gently. Step by step, he placed her safely back in her nest. The little bird chirped happily, "Thank you, rabbit. Thank you, squirrel." From above, she waved her tiny wing. The friends smiled and waved back.